Assalamualaikum and good evening. Hi, my name is ABDUL Hakim Aqmar bin JAMAL. Now I will explain about my case study of vacuum power and sound disturbance in classroom. For introduction, the efficiency and performance of vacuum cleaners play a crucial role in maintaining cleanliness and healthy living environment. Two primary aspects that significantly impact a vacuum cleaner effectiveness its power and noise levels. In this study, we aim to compare and analyze vacuum power and sound disturbance produced by the four popular models. First one is Panasonic 1200 watt, Euro Power 2000 watt, Shimano 850 watt, and Panasonic 600 watt. The objective of our case study, first one is to measure the sound pressure level produced by vacuum cleaner from four different types of vacuum by using RDCT software. The second one is to analyze the minimum, maximum and min value generated by each vacuum cleaner sound wave by using MATLAB software. For the literature review, literature suggests that higher voltage vacuum cleaner generally exhibit better cleaning performance. Although the relationship between voltage and cleaning efficiency is influenced by various design factors, noise level produced by vacuum cleaners are typically within acceptance limit, but slightly variation may exist between models. User perception and preference play a significant role in determining trade-off between vacuum power and sound disturbance. This study aims to contribute the existing body knowledge by conducting a comparative analysis of the specified vacuum cleaner models, providing empirical data on vacuum power and sound disturbance in classroom environment. This is a degree noise intensity and the duration allowed according to NUAWI standard. This figure shows the relationship between exposure level and exposure duration and the NUAWI. As sound becomes louder 85 dBA, the length of daily exposure must be reduced. For each 3 dBA increase in noise level. NUAWI recommend reducing the exposure duration by half. This is called the exchange rate. Similarly, if the daily exposure is longer than an hour, and the allowable noise level is lower. The methodology. The vacuum cleaner noise level recorded 3 meters from vacuum motor by Audacity software. Using MATLAB based sound rate detecting approach used to analyze the data for each sound recorded. Then we generate the result in visual graph using MATLAB based on data collected. This figure 1 shows research was carried out in a living room dwelling. The room was 7.9 meter multiplied by 4.6 meter and had one door and multiple cabinets on 3 sides. Figure 2 is the 4 type of vacuum cleaner used for this experiment. So the first one is Panasonic 1200 watt. The second one is Euro Power 2000 watt. The third one is Panasonic 850 watt, and the fourth one is Shimano 600 watt. This is the result generated by MATLAB. Figure 3 shows the Panasonic 1200 watt. Figure 4 shows Euro Power 2000 watt. Figure 5 shows Panasonic 600 watt, and figure 6 shows Shimano 850 watt. This is the result of sound pressure level that we get from 4 different types of vacuum that we use for this experiment. As we can see, the highest max value we get is Euro Power 2000 watt, which is 84.23 dBA. The lowest max value is Panasonic 600 watt, which is 55.85 dBA. For discussion, noise level comparison. The study measured and compared the noise level generated by each vacuum cleaner model. The result indicate that all the vacuum cleaner produce noise within acceptable limits defined by occupational health and safety regulation. Despite the slight variation, the overall noise level and the four models were relatively similar. Higher weightage and noise. The Europower 2000 watt and Panasonic 1200 watt models, which is higher power rating, tend to generate slightly higher noise level compared to the Shimo 800, 500 watt and Panasonic 600 watt model. This can be attributed to the increased power consumption and the suction strength of the higher weightage model. Trade-off between power and noise. The study identified a trade-off between vacuum power and noise level. Higher wattage models such as Europower 2000 watt and Panasonic 1200 watt offer greater cleaning efficiency and suction power, but generate slightly higher noise. On the other hand, the Shimano 800 watt, 850 watt and Panasonic 600 watt provide a more balanced performance with slightly lower noise level at the cost of slightly lower power rating. As for conclusion, in a nutshell, this lab experiment has been conducted successfully. This is because the objective were achieved, which is to measure the sound pressure produced by the vacuum cleaner from different power by using the Audacity software, and to analyze the minimum, maximum and mean value generated by the each vacuum cleaner sound wave by using MATLAB software.